Please take a look at this flow. This is cell-based design flow. Today we are going to install Synopsys Design Compiler, which is used to synthesize your hardware description language. Later we will come back and tell you how to install Xcelium and the ModelSim. So first, if you go to TSI, you will see that the download section has 2024.09 SP4. This is I think this is the newest version, and the previous version is 09-SP2. So please download. I just download this last time. So today we are going to install this file. We are going to install this version. So first, we want to please download these two files, and later you may upgrade it to SP4. Okay, so this is the first step. Please download these files from TSI. Please download this file or newer version. Okay, then we can extract and install these files. So we have home. Okay, we have these two files. So we can extract and install these two files. Please type TAR-XFVA. You can see that all the processes are the same. OPT, EDA, remember? Basically, all the installation processes are all the same. So if you follow my guideline, it will be very easy to install EDA tools. Please use root permission to run. Okay, please use root permission to run these two commands. And since these two files are very large, the file size is more than 3 GB, it will take some time to extract and install it to the OPT EDA directory. So I will stop here and let it run first. Later we will configure the environment. Okay, then we can run test. We can run test to see whether we will execute or not. Okay, so please let it extract. This is a very large file.